In 1876, Charles Wheeler invented the mop and bucket, taken over the market by storm.
This is the best solution ever invented. Now I can clean my floor in just a fraction of the time.
And now, with all our inventions and technological capabilities, most people still clean with the mop and the bucket. It was time for a change. It was time for the i-mop. And after 10 years of i-mop, adjusting every detail, adding brand new features, inquire, innovate, and inspire. Turning ideas from the market into functionality. Well on its way to craft the next generation of i-mops. Presenting our best i-mop ever. The i-mop 40. Ready to change the way you think about cleaning.